Well, hey everybody, it's Sean. What the video is going to be is me fixing this mess of the window in the back of my brother's '08 Sky. So my brother bought this car last year, and somebody in the past has tried to reseal that window. I don't know what they used, but it's a mess. So it has come undone, of course. And the first step is going to be to try to clean this all back up. The product you're supposed to use is 3M window weld. I've gone ahead and ordered that. Unfortunately, it won't be here till Saturday. So we're not going to get this all done today. But let's get started.
Days later.
So this is the sealant that I'm going to need. The primer here is 3M primer. We need to coat the glass with this so that we get a good adhesion between the window and the top. After cleaning up the glass really well, I just went ahead and kind of pre-fit these clamps on there and left them like this for the last few days so that the canvas wouldn't curl. It would remain flat. I'm going to go ahead and take those off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape around the area that I'm going to primer. As you can see, I've kind of propped up that canvas lip on that top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these foam applicators that Angie purchases to help clean up her sewing machine. Gonna open this up, dip it into the primer, then I'm going to apply the primer to this upper portion, and then it'll dry. Now, this particular top, you know, I've actually got it's undone all the way to here. But what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to adhere it up here, along here, put the sealant on, clamp it down, and then I will come back and finish off this little corner here. I'm gonna use this to come back in. Well, all right, so we've got that set and in place. Oh, I think I need to move this a little bit further this way. Be happier. If you're happy, and you know. So one of the things that I did before doing this, though, was I did unlatch the top latch in the front so that it's not got a lot of pressure on it that way. It helped make it easier for me to manipulate the glass in there. And we'll set that up, let that seal, and then like I said, I'm going to come back once that's done and I will do this section down here. Well, good morning everybody. This is now sat and cured for 24 hours. So we're gonna take these off. Had a few people with my pictures ask about these clamps. I purchased them off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Need to clean this up a little bit. Looks good though. And then, as I said yesterday, now that we've got this done, I need to come back and put the primer down in here and seal this section up here. So then it was just a matter of taking those clamps back off a day later, and the top was good to go. Well, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and you might want to consider subscribing because I'll be posting more videos like this on this new channel. I'll post some links in the description below to the parts and tools I used to complete this job. Thanks for watching.